All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model, this beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, navigation system, heated front seats, heated back seats, alloy wheels, roof racks, only 18,000 miles on this car. And best of all, minimum damage. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty darn decent. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is at 5:30 seconds. Let me double check that. Boom. Yep, at 5:30 seconds, almost 6. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty darn nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power windows. Here's your rear, your front passenger, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have a, it is a powered seat. Does have a, does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn on this vehicle for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Got your boom. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff. Obviously, you got your Navi system right there. All right, you got your AC controls right down below. You got your heated seats. Boom, boom. You got your backup camera. Pow. All right, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Oh, except for airbag light. And there's your mileage of 18,683. Very nice. Keeping it moving. Got a little button here, or actually this moves like this. Here's your your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. Oh, my light just died. Rear AC vents and rear AC controls right there. All right, and then back here, can't see it, but over there, you most certainly can. You got your heated rear seats right there. If I had a light, I can help you. I can show you guys. Oh, likewise in your third row. And I know you can't see it, but there are no holes, no tears, no rips back here. They look nice. All right. Little button that closes. Keep it moving. Rear bumper looks good. Lift gate looks good. Rear trunk space, very nice. These seats do fold down. In here, like the word says, stow and go. Got a little power button here that closes this door. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Any curbing? I don't see any curbing. Tire thread is at 6:30 seconds. This door looks good. This front passenger door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on the other side, the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Another little button here closes that. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger rim, very nice. Does it have some curbing? No, that's just some dirt. Tire thread is at 5:30 seconds. Let me double check that. It's at 5:30 seconds. I didn't turn on the lights. Get these lights on for you guys. Boom. The lights are on. All right. Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model. Beautiful black, all black with heated front and back seats. Super nice. Only 18,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.